Hey, what's up guys? John here at TechmoGo. Today I've got something different, but kind of the same. These are the Earfun Air Pro 2s. Now you can pick this up on Amazon or from Earfun's website. I'll put some links in the description in case you want to check them out. Just a heads up, the Amazon links are affiliate links, so if you use the link and make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. So in this video, we'll unbox these, check out the build quality, check out the features and specs, see how they fit, and more importantly, see how they sound. I'm super excited to get these because these are the first earbuds I'll own with active noise cancellation. So they come in this white and gray box with some Earfun branding up top. You get a picture of the earbuds there on the right, and on the bottom left, you've got Earfun Air Pro 2, the model, ANC wireless earbuds. These are IPX5 waterproof. It's got 6 mic noise cancellation when making calls, 34 hours of playtime, and again, active noise cancellation. Now these earbuds are Bluetooth 5.2. On the back here, you've got a list of what should be inside the box and a list of some of the features and specs. Now you can pause the video if you want to check out the list of features. Alright, now let's open the box and see what we get inside. So inside the box, you get your case with the earbuds inside. You get your user manuals and warranty cards, and you get your charging cable. That's a USB-A to USB-C, and you get a bunch of extra ear tips. That way you can find your right size and have the proper fit. Luckily for me, the mediums that come already pre-installed fit me excellent. And that is all you get in the box. Actually, there is a cleaning pick that's included that I didn't realize was inside the box. So the case is made out of a hard plastic, which is in matte black. The build of the case feels solid, but again, it's made out of plastic, so it's not something that I'd want to drop. Now I'm really liking this clamshell design. The lid has a nice satisfying click when closing it. Now the earbuds look excellent. They are a stem design and they've got touch sensors. Now the sensors on these are very good. They're not overly sensitive and work as designed. Now let's pair this with my phone. And I must say, it is super easy to pair with your phone. Make sure you have Bluetooth on your phone, have them nearby, open the lid, and your phone sees it almost instantly. Now anytime you want to use them from now on, all you gotta do is put them in your ear, you'll hear a female voice say connected, and you're ready to roll. Alright, now let's go over some of the specs again. Once again, these have active noise cancellation, up to 40 decibels. And I think they work excellent. The earbuds are IPX5 waterproof with sweat shield technology, so no problems when getting caught out in the rain or using these in the gym. Now the battery life on these are excellent. You get 7 hours of playtime with the earbuds and up to 27 additional hours of playtime using the case to charge, giving you a total of 34 hours of playtime. These are also wireless charging capable. As for sound quality, these have 10mm titanium composite drivers and the sound quality is excellent. These earbuds have a rich and clear sound with plenty of bass, but the bass doesn't overpower the mids and highs. I love the way these sound. These blow away the iPod Gen 3 in sound quality at half the price. Alright, before I forget, let's do a quick microphone check. Hey, what's up guys? John here at TechmoGo. Doing a quick microphone check on the Earfun Air Pro 2s. Microphone check 1, 2, microphone check 1, 2. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of that. To me personally, I think these have the best mic out of all the earbuds I've tried out so far. Now as far as the size of the case goes, they're just a little bit bigger than the Apple AirPod Gen 3s. So overall, they're pretty compact in size. Alright, so some final thoughts. For around 80 bucks, These are over what I would consider budget earbuds. To me, budget buds is $40 and below. But for what you get with these, like great build quality, excellent battery life, active noise cancellation, wireless charging, and excellent sound, these earbuds I feel is a good buy even at the higher price tag. Now with all that said, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at TechMoGo. I'll see you in the next one.